Long before Spain landed in 1521, early Filipinos were already preserving fish and meat using vinegar and salt, essential in a tropical climate with no refrigerators. In 1613, Spanish friar Pedro de San Buenaventura called this traditional method Adobo de los Naturales because it reminded him of Spanish pickling methods. The name stuck, but the recipe was already Filipino. Over centuries, Chinese traders brought soy sauce to Filipino kitchens. Combined with local vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, and peppercorns, it became the signature Filipino adobo we know today. Adobo isn't one size fits all. You've got adobong puti, vinegar only, no soy. Adobo sa gata, with coconut milk, from Bicol. Adobong dilaw, turmeric gives it a golden hue, from Batangas. Adobo symbolizes Filipino adaptability and cultural fusion, an indigenous cooking method embraced, renamed by the Spanish, enriched by Chinese soy, and beloved nationwide. Food historian Ambeth Ocampo argues the method existed long before the Spanish gave it its name. During American colonial rule, vinegar-based cooking was actively promoted as a public health measure in schools and communities. And during World War II, food scientist Maria Orosa developed preserved adobo and canned versions to feed guerrilla fighters. Today, adobo is arguably the Philippines' unofficial national dish, with millions of family recipes and simple yet complex flavor that connects generations. If you enjoyed this journey through history and flavor, hit like, click subscribe, and tell me, which regional adobo would you try first? Let's talk food in the comments.